Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Lillian. Thank you for watching African Foods with Lily. Yes, so today we are making milk rice, guys. This is very delicious. This is one of the best rice recipes that you're ever going to try. So I'm using 1 cup of basmati rice. Now I'm going to wash it 3 times. Yes, wash it 3 times, 3 to 4 times until the rice is very clean and the water is clear, something like this. Yeah. Now please add your rice in the saucepan or your pan. Make sure you get all of it. Yes. So 1 cup of rice, we are going to use 2 cups. 1 cup water, the other cup milk. Please don't use only milk because milk thickens whenever it cooks. So the more it thickens, your rice will not be ready. And when you're starting out to cook, please cook on high heat for like 5 minutes. When it starts to boil, add in your salt, 1/4 cup of turmeric, and 2 teaspoons of cooking oil. Then cook on low heat for about 15 to 20 minutes. Okay, let it simmer on low, very low heat. Yes, now give it time. As it's cooking, get your vegetables. I'm starting with my onion. Now this onion was really big, so what I did, I just used half of it. Now you cut this nicely, make your thin slices, and you cut it out nicely. Yes, so now I used 2 carrots, medium-sized carrots. Really, they're not big carrots. Now you peel them nicely, and then you cut. Just follow on the video to see how to do it. So yes. So I have my yellow bell pepper. It's looking very nice. It's very nice, guys. I love chomping these things. Like, I love eating. My kids call it chomping. I love eating these things when they're like this. So yes, I was really tempted to not finish it. Yes, so you also cut it nicely. As you can see, we are making the same shape as we did with the onion, the carrot. That's the same shape that we are also using for the yellow bell pepper. Yes, and with your red pepper, you still do the same thing. You make sure that you cut very tiny bits of it. So these are all our ingredients. I chopped some green pepper, some spring onions, and some coriander on the side. Now our rice is looking very nice. Now you let it dry out. Give it some time for the water to really come out, all of it. And then you add in your vegetables. You add in your onions, your carrots, your yellow pepper, your red pepper. If you have corn, this is the best time to also add it in. I tried looking for corn where I am, and guys, it's very hard to get it. So yes, I added my spring onions right there. You can also add in French beans. Yes. Now you mix this nicely. You try to break the rice apart. Yes, so just like that. Now our rice looks very good, very yummy and delicious. Thank you guys. Ciao.